Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Today we are going to make a pretty quick video. It is a comparison of the 21 Offroad Sunshade versus the WeatherTech Sunshade for the 2021 Plus Ford Bronco. Both fits 4-door and 2-door models. Let's turn this camera around. Alright, so the WeatherTech part number is TS1389. Comes in this bag, in this box. You get a little quick guide, just a visual reference of how you use this. It really is too simple to even include instructions. The 21 Off-Road version does not include instructions. Pretty much when they are rolled out, we are looking at the fronts of them. This is what you would see from outside of the vehicle. The WeatherTech has the WeatherTech logo kind of glued in there. There's the part number written in what looks like Sharpie, TS1389 right there. You see that Velcro strap coming from that left side as we are viewing it. See, smoother material. It is outlined and has fabric sewn in all around the edge versus the 21 Off-Road one. Alright, now thickness is about the same. This one has a more rigid feel to it. If you turn the 21 Off-Road version around, you get pretty much the same look on the inside. This is a lot stiffer. When you turn it around, you get the logo on the inside, which is just a sticker it seems, but it is black on the inside. So that's about the only difference. We'll wrap this up and then we will go to the car. Alright, so here it is, fully installed. I do have my dash cam still mounted because the suction cup mount is way up here, so I am able to fit that. I did have to take my radar detector down. As you can see, we pretty much get full coverage along the front of our vehicle. To finish the install, just use your sun visors to hold it into place. Let's look at it from the outside. This is great for people that park their vehicle outside when they go to work. When you're at a campground, to provide privacy and also to keep your vehicle cool. If you don't have any space for this inside your garage, it doesn't fit in your garage because it's too short or whatnot, still great to have this in there. It kind of protects the inside of your vehicle from the elements, direct sunlight, and just those rising vehicle temperatures. So for $21.95, it's a little investment for your vehicle and can also keep it a little bit cooler so that when you get in it, you'll be that much cooler at the end of the day. So you can find this on our website, or you can also order the WeatherTech version. We have both of them available there. Thank you so much for your continued support. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are bringing in for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.